Good morning to the one and all present here. It is a pleasure to begin this auspicious occasion by welcoming our Honorable MD Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, parents and fellow students on our annual presentation on the topic Nazism. Today, we the students of class 9W are thrilled to present to you a showcase of talent.
I, Sanchi,
And I, Sayona,
are delighted to be the host of this memorable day. Today, in our presentation, we will be showcasing Nazism or National Socialism was a political ideology in Germany led by Adolf Hitler from 1933 to 1945. It promoted the idea of Aryan racial superiority and was fiercely anti-Semitic, leading to the persecution and genocide of 6 million Jews in the Holocaust. Nazis believed in a totalitarian state with strong central control and no political opposition. They aimed to expand German territory, leading to World War II. Nazism rejected democracy and embraced extreme nationalism, militarism and propaganda to control the public. As we gather here, I would like to thank our Honorable MD Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, respected Director Ma'am and my respected teachers for their guidance and mentorship. Their advice and encouragement have helped us to overcome challenges. So sit back, relax and get ready to be mesmerized by the incredible performances ahead. So let's start this day by great enthusiasm and energy. Now I invite Reed for the pledge. Now kindly stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions, of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me, to do what's right. Amen.
A day should be started with lots of positivity and inspirational quotes. To share an incredible thought by Adolf Hitler, here comes Shivansh and Rudra of my class.
The doom of a nation can be averted by a storm of the flowing passion, but those who are passionate themselves can arouse passion in others. Thank you.
A virulent anti-Semitism, a blood and a soil ideology, the nation of master race and the idea of territorial acquisition and settlement in the East. Now, we have a talented group of students prepared to present their discussion on Nazism.
Today, we are going to have a discussion about Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. Our goal is to understand this dark chapter in history and learn how we can prevent such hatred from rising again.
Hitler was the leader of Germany from 1933 to 1945. He led the Nazi Party and was responsible for Holocaust, where millions of peoples of Jews and other minorities were killed.
The main cause responsible for the growth of Nazism in Germany was the economic and political instability of the country after World War I. The Nazi Party was able to take advantage of the situation by using propaganda, charismatic leadership, and message of nationalism and anti-Semitism.
Hitler was a powerful orator. His speech could mesmerize the masses. He promised to build a strong nation, undo the injustice of Versailles Treaty, and restore the dignity of German people.
He assured employment for the unemployed people and a secure future for the youth. He promised to control all foreign influence and assist all foreign conspiracies against Germany.
He introduced a new style of politics. Nazi party held massive rallies and public meetings to demonstrate the support for Hitler, and this massive mobilization created a sense of unity among German people.
It was during a Great Depression when Nazism became a mass party. After 1929, banks collapsed. Business shut down, and workers lost their jobs. And middle class people were threatened with destitution. In this situation, Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a messiah, a savior, as a person who had arrived to save people from their distress.
Hitler came during such a period when the dignity and pride of German people were totally shattered due to the defeat in First World War and humiliating Treaty of Versailles. The crisis in the economy, polity and society formed a background of Hitler's rise to power.
Sam, can you enlighten us about Nazi ideology?
There was no equality between people, but only a racial hierarchy. In this view, blonde, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while Jews were located at the lowest level. Jews were regarded as anti-race, the arch enemies of Aryans. All other colored people were placed between depending their external feature.
To impose a wide-scale war was the biggest effect of Nazism not only on the Europe but on the entire world and on the countries on the Allied side were the countries like USA, Britain, France and Soviet Union, and on the Axis side were the countries like Germany, Japan and Italy.
Sparked by the 1839 Nazi invasion of the Poland, the war was waged for 6 bloody years until the Allies reached the Axis power of Nazi in Germany, Japan, Italy in 1945.
Rhythm, can you explain us about Holocaust?
The atrocities and the suffering that the Jews had endured during the Nazi killing operation was known as Holocaust, physically eliminating those who were seen as undesirable by killing them in gas chambers by use of poisonous gas.
Making people from Poland and Russia as slave labor and imprisoned them in concentration camps. Jews were victimized through the media by circulating pictures, films, slogans and leaflets. They were stereotyped, mocked, abused and described as evil.
On 23rd March 1933, the famous Enable Act was passed. This act established dictatorship in Germany. It gave Hitler all the powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. All the other political parties and trade unions were banned except for Nazi Party and its affiliates. The state develops complete control over the country's economy, army.
The Holocaust was one of the most horrific events. Why do you think it's important for us to learn about it?
I think it's important so we can understand the consequences of hatred and prejudice. If we learn about the past, we can work to make sure it never happens again.
Exactly. Understanding history helps us to recognize the signs of dangerous ideologies.
We can start by treating someone with respect, no matter their background. If we see someone treating unfairly, we should speak up.
In a time when Adolf Hitler Nazi Party engulfing Europe in hatred and fear, everyday heroes emerged and stand up to the terror. Example, Virginia Hall was one of the most World War II dangerous spies. Karl Lurch fought Nazis through paperwork.
During the World War II, there were people like Oskar Schindler who risked their life to save Jews from the Nazis. Their actions showed that even in the darkest time, individual can make a huge difference by standing up for what is right.
And in the recent time, there are many movements and organizations dedicated to fighting hate and promoting human rights. They showed that we can all contribute to be a better world. Thank you.
Poetry. A symphony of words, a dance of emotion, a canvas of the soul, transporting us to the world both familiar and unknown. Now I invite Summer and Rhythm for recite an English poem.
A dark hand touching a light hand, a young face looking into an old, all people working together for a goal to be told.
A stranger and stranger together, a foe and a foe are now friends. All people helping each other, making beginnings meet ends.
A heart understanding another, a soul reaching out to a soul. All people are feeding their elders with plate, fork, spoon and bowl.
A rich man helping a poor man, a convict dancing with a child. All people put aside their differences and share a hope that is wide. A shout came out from the open, like a footstep falling on sand.
All people together proclaim,
Now there is peace in this land. Thank you.
साहस वह अद्भुत क्षमता है जो तकदीर और तस्वीर दोनों बदल सकती है। सुनिया श्रेण और साहिबप्रीत सिंह प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं साहस के नाम जीवन में आगे बढ़ने का संदेश देती कविता कुछ न कुछ तो करना होगा।
आगे तुझको हर हाल में बढ़ना होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो तुझे करना होगा।
कब तक ऐसे बैठे रहोगे, हार से कब तक डरोगे।
जिंदगी यूं ही निकल रही, वक्त की रेत भी फिसल रही।
कुछ क्षण बचे हैं, अब तो कर लो, कुछ साहस तो मन में कर लो।
कदम आगे बढ़ाना होगा,
तुझको साहस दिखाना होगा।
जीत की प्यास ने जगानी होगी, हार की पीड़ा अब भुलानी होगी।
बिखरे साहस को फिर जुटाना होगा, रक्त में उबाल फिर लाना होगा।
सोए जमीर को जगाना होगा, जीवन को खुद सजाना होगा।
टूटी हिम्मत की मरम्मत फिर करनी होगी, फूटी किस्मत से ही पर लड़ाई ये लड़नी होगी। आगे तुझको हर हाल में अब बढ़ना होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो तुझे अब करना होगा। धन्यवाद। A skit is a short, humorous or dramatic performance. Today, our classroom will try to explain how history or historical figures can influence individuals.
Classroom. The classroom and students are seated. Miss Kezia is at the front and students are seated together.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
In the yesterday's class, we have discussed the effect of First World War. Sankalp, can you tell the main effects of First World War?
As many as 8.5 million soldiers and 13 million civilians died during First World War.
May I tell? The four imperial dynasties were collapsed as a result of war. The Habsburgs of Austria-Hungary, the Hohenzollerns of Germans, the Sultanate of Ottoman Empire, and the Romanovs of Russia.
Suryansh, now you can tell.
Yes, ma'am. The German economy was the worst hit by the economic crisis caused by the Great Economic Depression 1929 to 1932 in the USA.
Ma'am, may I tell? German individuals and industrials were totally dependent on the loan from the USA. The street wall exchange crashed in 1929. The USA withdrew the support from Germany.
That's wonderful, kids. So today we are discussing the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party in Germany. Can anyone tell me who Adolf Hitler was?
Hitler was the leader of the Nazi Party. He became the dictator of Germany and started World War II.
Yes, you are right. He was born in 1889 in Austria. Hitler spent his youth in poverty. When the First World War broke out, he enrolled for the army, acted as a messenger in the front, became a corporal and earned medals for the bravery. The German defeat horrified him and the Versailles Treaty made him furious. In 1919, he joined a small group called the German Workers' Party. He subsequently took over the organization and renamed it the National Socialist German Workers' Party. This party came to be known as the Nazi Party.
But why did people follow him?
Yes, people followed him.
Can I answer this?
Yes.
Hitler was a powerful speaker. His passion and his words moved people. He promised to build a strong nation under the injustice of Versailles Treaty and restore the dignity of German people. He promised employment for those looking for work and a secure future for the youth.
That's absolutely right, Samar.
How did he become so powerful?
Special surveillance and security forces were created to control and order the society in ways that the Nazis wanted. He pulled out the League of Nations in 1933, reoccupied the Rhineland in 1936 and integrated Austria as Germany in 1938 under the slogan, "One people, one empire and one leader." Hitler chose war his way out of the approaching economic crisis. Hitler's claim to international power, puppet regimes and supportive of Nazi Germany were installed in large part of Europe. By the end of 1940, Hitler was at pinnacle of his power.
Act 2, the schoolyard. The scene shifted to the schoolyard. Sam is talking to some kids, expressing misguided ideas about power and strength.
You know, sometimes you need a strong leader to make things better, even if it means being tough on certain people.
Sam,
What we learned today shows us that using hate and fear to gain power only leads to suffering.
Yeah, a strong leader should unite people, not divide them.
What if it's the only way to fix things?
Blaming others and treating them badly is never the answer. We should work together to solve problems and treat everyone with respect.
Good morning, students. What's going on over there?
Sir, Sam is talking about using power in harmful ways.
Sam, history has always shown us that hate and division leads to tragedy. We should remember the lessons from the past and promote kindness and unity instead.
I guess I didn't think about it in that way.
It's important to learn and grow. Remember that we are all responsible for making sure that history's darkest moments are never repeated.
And so Sam began to understand the hateful ideas and importance of unity and respect.
Thank you.
In the spirit of our tradition, our dancer will weave a tapestry of storytelling where every step, every gesture and every step speaks the word. So now I invite some student of a class for a classical dance performance.
नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महे पटेल शिवसंनिधौ शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय।
कुछ परिंदे उड़ रहे हैं आंधियों के सामने, इनमें ताकत ना सही पर हौसला होगा जरूर। इसी तरह तक चलते रहे तो देखना, तय समुद्र तक एक दिन फासला होगा जरूर। गीत न केवल हमें प्रेरित करते हैं, बल्कि जीवन के हर मोड़ को उमंग, उत्साह से भर देते हैं, जीवन को ऊर्जा से भर देते हैं। इसी अद्भुत संगीत के जादू को बिखेरने आ रही है हमारी कक्षा की सेओना।
जीतेगा चल, जीतेगा चल, जीतेगा चल। मुसाफिर ठहराने दे, धूप आंगन में आने दे। जीतेगा चल, जीतेगा चल, जीतेगा चल। पलकों के नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे। यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे। उंगलियों से बहती रेत बहने दे, आज और अभी मैं खुद को रहने दे। कहता है पल खुद से निकल। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। एक टुकड़ा हंसी चख ले, एक डली जिंदगी रख ले। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। हिचकी रुक जाने दे, सिसकी थम जाने दे, इस पल की ये गुजारिश है। जी मरना क्यों, जी लेना बूंदों को, पी लेना इस पल की ये गुजारिश है। पानियों को रस्ते तू बनाने दे, रोशनी के पीछे खुद को जाने दे। कहता ये पल खुद से निकल। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल। कहता ये पल खुद से निकल। जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल।
Let the beat drop, the guitar ring out, and the vocal soul. Now we have Sanjana and Simran for an inspiring English song performance, The Climb.
I can almost see it. the dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the the struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always another mountain. Always wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the Thank you.
From the depth of silence, note emerges and a symphony of stories unfold. Now I invite Samaira for an instrumental performance.
I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer if you want to make the world a better place. Take a look at yourself and then make a change.
To keep our energy high, let's bring our next group of students for an private group dance performance.
Gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. sweet, but not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? Oh, well, all deep in the sky, somebody's broken heart, and a washed out dream. They follow the pattern of the wind sea. They got a place of me. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways. And no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make that change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh yeah. Change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make the change. Gotta get it right while you got the time. You ain't gonna close your mind.